Guys, so I just catched a baby bird and he's right on top of this tool thingy. Bird, why are you here? Hey guys, and this is the chickens, by the way. I'm gonna record clean the house tomorrow. Yo, Bird, why are you here? Bird? Yo, what are you doing? Yo, chickens! Yo, chickens, are you scared? Yo, this thing, guys, this thing was in this bucket. What? This thing was in the bucket, and he flew on top of the chicken cage, and the bird went on this. So yeah, guys. I don't know how this ended up here. Bird, why you escape your nest? Yeah, guys, this is the nest. It's up there. Bird, do not come close to the chickens. Yo, what is this guy doing? Scan? Bird, say hi. Ah. Scan? There's more babies in the nest. Again? Guys, tell me why this is here. What is he doing? He's taking a poop. Alright guys, yeah, I'll record the clean the house video because there's a mess in here. So yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching.